Both of these steps are what's going to make your at-home gel manicure last weeks instead of days. This is my nail dehydrator. It's basically your prep step. It removes all of the oil or moisture from your nails so that your gel or acrylic can actually stick properly. It's one of the most important steps for long-lasting nails, especially at home. So this is my gel primer. It is what keeps your gel polish from lifting off your nails. You can think of the gel primer as essentially the glue step. It's what helps your gel or acrylic stick to your natural nail by creating a stronger foundation and reducing the amount of oil on the surface. When you use them together, your manicure is way less likely to lift or peel. So how you use it after you prep your nails, you can see I have already filed mine. You just apply a thin layer of this dehydrator. You can see it is very thin and clear. So we'll apply it to my thumbnail here. It dries instantly. And now all of the oil and moisture is removed from my thumbnail and it is ready to be primed. So then we would go in with our primer. The primer is clear. It also dries nearly instantly. This is what is going to help your gel polish stick. So you can see it is shiny. If you touch it, it is also sticky. So after you do the dehydrator and then you do the primer, then you would just go in with your base coat and your color and cure it. Is it worth it? Yes, absolutely, especially if you're having problems with your at-home manicures lasting as it is. I recommend trying this and seeing if it makes a difference for you. I can almost guarantee that it will. And that is the biggest reason to start using these steps. They both are acid-free and Hema-Free, which is a huge plus. It means that they're less likely to cause irritation, burning, or allergic reactions compared to other dehydrators or primers. They are also compatible with any gel polish, so you do not have to stick with the same brand if you don't want to.